What the hell happened? What girl? He looking dead in the camera. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Dre. It's been a minute since I posted. God damn. It's because I be playing games. I've been like playing games on Twitch, which you should watch. Check me out. I'll be live streaming soon. Twitch.tv/DreGaming. I've been uploading to Dre Day, my gaming videos. If you're into gaming, your boy been playing. And I've been posting, so go subscribe to Dre Day. Go check out my Dre Gaming. I'll be playing games live on stream and K-pop. I'll be doing K-pop stuff too. But especially, I played that scary game, Fears to Fathoms. If you need a laugh or a scare, go check that out.
I think we have to go out the front door or the basement where we came from.
Go. Just came out with Lemon Tang. Now I know we get into summer. It's summer already, to be honest. What, is it almost July? Yeah, we in summer. There's been a lot of lemon. I know Espa came out with lemon, right? And now Lemon Tang. And what else? There's more lemon? Lemonade? But I haven't checked this out yet. So without further ado, let's check out Hearts2Hearts. Let's check out Hearts2Hearts Lemon Tang. Y'all remember Tang? The water, the drink?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, I thought you gonna run up. Where is it? A school trip? She not affected. Who that? Not you crushing over the lemon boy. What the hell happened? What girl? He looking dead in the camera. Hey, look away. You know, during this poor lady. Oh, it's definitely a summer bop. Tie-dye shirt. Ooh. This make me want to drink some lemonade. Oh, the sailor outfits. Oh, wait, what? Are they at like a farmer's market? Hey! But we're sweeter when together. I see. Lemon Tang. Oh, they in California? Oh, these are different spots. I like that breakdown when they go calling you baby. Obviously I can't sing like they can, but you know, like that breakdown with the instrumental sounds really nice. Like groovy feel, no? Okay, rollerblading. I haven't been rollerblading in so long. Okay, the heart. Oh! What an interesting transition under Castle, Sandcastle. The choreo's cute too. Can't deny it. Who crushed these kids' castles? I am sorry. I apologize. Who? This poor kid. Oh. Oh, okay. Eye contact. The eye contact. Oh, the eye contacts with the hair. I like the contrast. Okay, solo shots. Oh. Ooh, the piano. What? Oh, we're at a lemon garden. that what you call it? Lemon tree garden? Hey, hey. Who was singing them vocals in the background? The the cowboy boots. We got country, lemonade. Oh, they're gonna give that to that boy that they crashed into. Oh! That's the most realist thing ever, though. You see a cute boy or a cute girl, and then you give him something, and you just fall on your face on the ground. God dang. Damn, no! That's my biggest fear, and it happens still to this day. If I introduce myself, I'm clumsy. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. Hearts2Hearts. They came through with a summer bop. Like that breakdown. I went too far back. Wait, did they crash into the bus crash or something crash into the lemon truck? Did the bus driver get distracted by the lemons? What is happening? Oh, instantly. Oh, it was already a crash. And they look so cute in a bus crash. What the Nah, that's crazy. This shot is always crazy. What is happening? All the dancers. This man is staring deep into my soul. Deep into girl.
My life be like.
Girl, what is this?
Daddy,
Whose
chill.
leg is that? Oh my god. I didn't notice that. You see the bus driver's face? He is over it. Oh my god. Alright, y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Hearts2Hearts Lemon Tang. Tang. I can't believe I did that. I'm sorry. Again, go subscribe to Dre Day. I'll be posting gaming videos over there if you're into that. I've been streaming on Dre Gaming on Twitch. I need to upload the Patreon. If you've been on my Patreon and still supporting your boy, I know it's been a minute since I uploaded, but I'm gonna try to. We're definitely gonna get back into the grind. I'm gonna check out some K-dramas that I've been wanting to watch. So be sure to go support your boy over there. You can follow for free. So be sure to support the Patreon if you haven't already. And yeah. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Also, do you see him? Isn't he cute? Look at him. Look at my little mic buddy. Anyway, all right. Well, moving on.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day. Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.